Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.